Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make another quick video similar to the one we did last week with the bed support brackets. Just talking about what you're looking at doing when you are installing your cowl light mounts here. So no, it won't be an exact installation video. It's just going to be some pointers on what you're looking at when you're doing your actual install at home, just to make everything a little bit easier. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So this is going to be one of the easiest and most straightforward installs you can do if you actually are looking at adding some additional lighting to the front end of your Tacoma. This bracket itself is the Cali Raised LED bracket, which I liked it just because it was very low profile and everything clears nicely, but I have added their extension piece as well so that you can mount two lights as opposed to one. This is just nice because you can actually have one light facing forward as well as one basically as your ditch light, so you kind of get multi-purpose here. Great little bracket. A lot of companies offer different brackets, so you guys can check out. Basically, the install is going to be the exact same for all of them. Really, the only thing you're going to need for this install, besides the brackets themselves, is a 12mm socket and your ratchet. So it's, as I said, super straightforward. We're going to go ahead and show you what you're doing when you're actually installing it. So there are only 3 steps to this entire install. But before we get to those 3 steps, let me just say, when you're doing this installation, make sure you start and finish one side of your brackets before moving to the other side. It just helps the hood stay aligned and makes the install so much easier. But now to the steps. Once you've chosen the side you want to start on, prop your hood, go to that side of the vehicle, remove the 2 12mm bolts here and here. The hood will want to slide back a little bit, so if you rest a towel basically between the hood and the windshield, it'll make everything go a lot easier. Once you've done that, put your bracket in place, bring the hood back to get the holes aligned, and then reinstall your stock bolts. And that's literally it, guys. So another little trick you can do during your installation to keep everything aligned is use an expo marker and mark the inside of your hood to your hinge bracket itself, keeping that nice line right there. Once you're bolting everything back together, as long as that line is straight and still connected, your gap here between your hood and your fender is going to be even, just like it was before the installation. And that's the install, guys. As I said, super straightforward and easy to do. Once your first side is finished up, you then move over to your other side over there and perform the exact same steps, and then your brackets will be fully installed. From there, you can add your lighting options that you've chosen and get those fully wired in. So I hope this video helped, guys. If you have any other questions, shoot them in the comments below. Like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Thanks, guys. Bye.